Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to fix auto payment on Netflix. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because just helps me out. So let's get started on how to fix the auto payment issue not working on Netflix. Let's get started. First thing to do is to check your payment method. So go to the Netflix app, then tap on the profile icon, which is click on account. Then under the membership and billing, check if your payment method is valid. Then after that, ensure you have enough funds. So if you're using a debit or credit card, make sure you have a sufficient balance on both cards. Then you can also update or change your payment method. So to do this, you have to go to the Netflix account, then click on settings. From there, tap on manage payment info, then click on add new payment method and update your payment details. And that's how you can simply fix auto payments on Netflix. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.